When it comes to the internet, maybe you have heard that speed boosting softwares really improve your connection speed. Or maybe you have heard that the speed that you see on a speed testing site is the actual speed that you should get on a day-to-day basis. Or you might have heard from someone that you actually don't need those two antennas at the back of your router for your internet connection to work. Or the weather outside will really impact your internet connection depending on what type of network you have. So some of these are true, some of these are false. So in this video, I thought of debunking some of the internet's most popular myths, because it's about time that we talk about these myths and talk about what's right and talk about what's wrong. Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from AndroDollar.com. In this video, let's go ahead and debunk the internet's favorite myths. Getting right into it, first we have speed boosting softwares to improve the internet connection. Can you use a speed boosting software to improve your internet connection? What do you think? Technically, your broadband connection cannot be boosted like most of these speed testing softwares actually claim. At the best, it will not do anything at all, but at the worst, it will install spyware or any type of malware that will significantly slow your connection and cause significant amount of alternative issues that will cause you a headache later on. Some of these applications will just kill all of the other applications that you have running and make sure whatever you're using will be boosted. But the best thing that you have to do instead of wasting money on any of these internet speed boosting software is to go ahead and invest that money on better hardware to improve your internet. That one will actually work. Coming into the next myth, this is the golden question for a lot of people. Is that speed that you see on that internet speed testing site your real internet speed? What do you think? This is how most of the internet speed testing sites display your results. It will show you rating in megabits per second, and that is not just a speed but a maximum capacity rate. The maximum throughput of a connection is governed by the maximum bandwidth of the connection end to end, and also the TCP window size and latency of the connection end to end. And also remember that the megabits per second is not equal to megabytes per second. 1 megabyte is equal to 8 megabits. These terms are used in very specific ways. Megabits per second with a simple B is used to describe the speed of the internet connection, but megabytes per second, where you have a capital B, is used to refer to the size of a file. So the next time you do a speed test result, don't get too excited when you see your speed testing score. If you just learned something new, then definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now on Andro Dollar and go ahead and check out my past videos and stay tuned for my future videos as well by hitting on that notification bell icon. By the way, don't forget to share this video with your friends as well. Next myth, if I increase my internet connection speed from 5 megabits per second to 50 megabits per second, my internet connection speed is going to be really fast. True or false? Well, increasing the internet connection's rate increases its capacity, but not necessarily its throughput. So this is what most people call the speed. This means you can do more things at the same time, but not any faster. In fact, the faster the rate, the less likely the increased throughput can be achieved, because the connection latency needed to support that rate gets smaller. Next tip, the two antennas at the back of your router are a must for your router to work. What do you think? Well, a lot of people think that they actually need this antenna for the router to work. In fact, if you don't even have the antennas at the back of the router, the connection will still work. Then why on earth do you need this antenna? Well, using this antenna will make sure that the signal coverage is distributed well and the connection will be distributed to a wider area. But in case you're using an access point or something like that, this really is not that needed. It is definitely recommended by ISPs to use this antenna, but if you really don't want to use it, you can just try it out without it, and if everything works well, you can just forget about the two antennas. Next myth, keep the router at the center of your house for the best coverage. True or false? Well, this one is pretty simple. If you keep the router at the center of your house, most of the areas of the house will be covered. If you have a house with multiple floors, then it's best to use the access point to increase the range. And especially if you have a wired connection, using Cat6 cables to spread out the internet around your house using access points will give you the best results in the long run. Well guys, those are some of the internet speed myths I wanted to talk to you guys about today. So if I missed something or if you have something to add to this video, definitely go ahead and use that comment section. I'll hang down over there so we can have a conversation. Let me know what you guys thought about these internet speed myths that I spoke about in this video. In case if you are new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now and stay tuned for more awesome tech videos just like this in the future. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.